Hey guys, here's a video on Examview into Moodle 2.4. Easy peasy. I've been using Examview and Moodle for a long time as a math teacher, and in the very beginning days, it was quite painful. You had to change code, you had to do stuff. It wasn't very fun. Kind of a pain, yeah, really. And then from 2.0 to about 2.3, there's a plugin you can install, and I have a video on YouTube on how to do that. But now at 2.4, everything's finally come together, and I'm so excited to be able to do this very easily. So, how this works: make your test in Examview, and I have also a video on how to make Examview tests that you've imported from Word, so you might want to check that out. So I got an Examview test. It's got some math, it's got some graphs, it's got some charts, it's got all sorts of difficult stuff that was a pain in the butt before. Now what we're going to do, same process, we're going to do File, Export, and we're going to export to 6.0, 7.0, and what that does, it creates a zip file, so a little file with a little zipper on it. And I have one already, so I'm not going to resave it, but I have these somewhere. So please save it someplace convenient that you know where it is, okay? Now, the fun part, once we get to Moodle, I've created a little dummy test. So let me show you how to import questions. Let's do this. We'll use this one. Okay, I had made this quiz here, blah. But what I'm going to do is show you when you go to Settings, Question Bank, make sure you expand Question Bank to import. And also my other videos I talk about, you might want to create categories. If you're going to start importing a ton of questions in, you might want to start organizing your categories, you know, questions for quiz 1 or unit 1, questions from unit 2, whatever. So you can get in there and organize. But for now, I'm just showing you how to do it with 2.4 in Examview. You no longer have to pick the special plugin. Blackboard version 6 plus, let's pick that. You want that. You could pick your category here if you want. You know, if you picked a category, please choose it here. If not, you'd have to delete your questions, take them out, and put them back in. And what you can do, this is kind of cool, you can drag and drop. You could also choose your file, whichever makes you happy. Okay, so let me demonstrate drag and drop. I have my test saved in my file. Oop, it's over here. So there's my ACT math test. Drag the zip file. Okay, you got to move the zip file. Get it to land in this dotted box here. Give it a second, it's going to read it. Once it's there, import. Again, the zip file goes in here, okay, when you create the file export. This looks a little scary at first. Don't worry. It's bringing in 15 questions. These are your images. You hit continue, and your questions will be here. So when you visualize them, when you see them, this is actually a picture, and it came in just fine. So did my numbers. If I check another question, let's say I check question 11 here, I've got equations, looks good, exponents are nice, everything looks kind of sweet. So a very easy way to import into Moodle now from Examview. You don't need a special plugin, you don't need some administrative person to come in and help you. Just drop it in, organize, and do what you'd like to do. Thanks for watching.